don't lose your mind over someone who doesn't care about losing you. You can go crazy, or people they think you are mad or something because of the person who hates you. That person doesn't care. You know that when you have got stress about your partner or you don't eat, that person is busy feeding themselves, eating, enjoying the life when you are busy being stressed. So you have to be careful on that, because you end up losing your mind. Guys, you know heartbreak of the person you love is very pain. So you have to think about that, because you end up losing your reputation. You go crazy over someone who doesn't think about you. That person, guys, you know, you can lose appetite, or to spend a week or 2 weeks you don't eat properly. You are losing weight over someone who doesn't care. Yes, it can happen, especially relationships are not equally. The person you love, that person is not in love with you the same way you love that person. So it can happen, it's normal. But don't end up losing your mind over that person. You are, people they think maybe you are mad or something, because guys, life you can find another love. So that person who doesn't care about you, sometimes ignore and move on. It can happen. You have to take care of yourself than you end up losing you don't eat, you are losing weight. Other people they can lose confidence, because when you are wearing, you are looking good, you are doing it for your partner, but that person doesn't care at all. Other people, when they separate with their partners, they don't take care of themselves. Even the way they are bathy, to take care of their hair, their body, how they wear the clothes. You can see now the person is losing the confidence. Don't lose your confidence sometimes because of the person. Or other people, they can't even go to shower because you don't have energy. You end up losing, because that break of a person you love is very, very painful. So you have to put yourself together, do something, go to work. Other people, even they don't go to work because of this of someone. You end up losing your job because of someone. So it doesn't make any sense. You have to think about yourself first before you think about other people. Nowadays, guys, there is no need to laugh deeply most of the time, because the moment you separate with that person, you end up lose your mind. Guys, you know that if when you are in situation of the person you love, that person doesn't care. That person eats, enjoy the life, everything, and you are losing weight over someone, losing your mind.